In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type Tamil in Canva. This is really useful if you're creating designs for social media, presentations, invitations, or any kind of visual content, and you want to include Tamil text, even if you don't have a Tamil keyboard installed. We'll keep this simple and use tools you already know. To start, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Translate and open the official Google Translate page. This tool will help us easily convert English text into Tamil. Once you're on Google Translate, look at the language options. On the right-hand side, set the language you want to translate into as Tamil. On the left side, you can leave it as English, or choose whichever language you're typing in. Now, in the box on the left, type the text you want to appear in your Canva design. As you type, you'll see Google Translate automatically generate the Tamil translation in the box on the right. Take a moment to check that the translation looks correct. If you speak or understand Tamil, you can quickly scan it and make sure it conveys what you mean. If you don't, it's a good idea to keep the sentences short and simple, because that usually leads to more accurate translations. Once you're happy with the Tamil text, use your mouse to highlight the translated text on the right side. Right-click and choose Copy, or use your keyboard shortcut to copy it. Now it's time to move over to Canva. Open Canva in your browser and go to the design where you want to add Tamil text. This could be any kind of template or a blank design. Once you're inside the Canva editor, click on an existing text box where you want the Tamil text to appear. If your design doesn't already have a text box, just add one by clicking the text option and inserting a new text box onto your design. With the text box selected, click inside it so your cursor is active, and then paste the Tamil translation you copied from Google Translate. You should now see your Tamil text appear directly in the Canva design. From here, you can style it just like any other text. Change the font, adjust the size, play with the colors, and position it exactly where you want on the page. And that's all you need to do to type Tamil in Canva using Google Translate.